Join us on a magical and educational adventure on board the Carolina Snowball, captained by Sailor Scruffy, as we go out in search of the Mermaid of Hilton Head. Learn the story of how Mermaid Nina became the Mermaid of Hilton Head and how she helps protect her ocean friends, as well as why the things she does are important for our ecosystem and what you can do to help. On board, you'll be welcomed and guided by Pinky Plankton, an old friend of Mermaid Nina, who delights in educating children about ocean conservation and turning her new human friends into fellow ocean ambassadors. Learn how you can help protect sea turtles, sand dollars, and the correct protocol for engaging with the marine life that can be found in this iconic low-country environment. If you look hard enough, you might just find Mermaid Nina swimming in her favorite marine playground, surrounded by oysters and spartina grass. But you might not be the only one looking for her, and you might be called upon as ocean ambassadors to save her from the evil Professor Algae, who spends her days trying to capture Mermaid Nina to make money. Will you be able to join Sailor Scruffy and Pinky Plankton and defend Mermaid Nina with the use of our magical bubble wands? Our tour is based on the best-selling children's book, The Mermaid's Friend, which was written and illustrated by Mermaid Nina herself, available online at our retail location and all good bookstores.